Imagine being born with gills and a tail, then suddenly you swap them for lungs and legs and just start walking around. That's not a dream. It's the insane reality of metamorphosis. It's a total body overhaul for some creatures as they mature, like when a caterpillar becomes a butterfly. Inside their bodies, specific hormones trigger a cellular demolition and construction project. Old parts get recycled, and new ones are built from scratch. This isn't just a cosmetic change. It unlocks brand new habitats and survival strategies. Metamorphosis, nature's ultimate extreme makeover. What's your favorite animal transformation? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.